Oh, don't sneeze on her.
Busy to take to the small town school marm. He won't come. I will not allow this kind of disrespect. Then take my advice. Let me make up the work and leave my father out. You may deliver the note now.
Uh-oh.
You are done for the day in this class.
She's just throwing herself
Taking me out of
back.
the class? There is no room for disrespect.
What?
Why don't she do baby chop?
Yeah.
She'll talk. Trust me. I made her jump.
Hey, girlie, what's up? Oh, Analia. Hey.
I did.
She's so serious, huh? Oh, look at her.
Made her stay after class. Nothing else you could think of that you could have done to get this little girl under control.
Watch out. Mama's gonna get her face.
Tiffany has no way.
Hi.
He needs to know.
You said the note. He's come.
Good. I will explain.
I will be there as well.
Why will you be
Hi, baby.
Baby.
Hi.
Probably I will.
Hi.
She thought. She said hi.
Oh.
Now she had a tough enough time just talking with the
Oh,
girls.
look at our